Oh, my hands. Dadgummit, the screen is fogging up. It's gonna be a horrible intro. Everything's fogging up.
Everything's what?
Everything's fogging up on the screen. I can't see nothing. Oh god.
Did you see them last night?
Who? Oh, I did not.
They all came off of this. Off the trailer.
Yeah. Don't know how well you can see that because my screens keep fogging up, but those are clean. Autofocus is off. There, that might help. Woohoo! Let's go get some breakfast. I really just want some juice. That's all. I guess I'm gonna warm up the car till Damon gets out here. His girl's moving slow. Pretty funny. I'm the one that's not in the show, but I'm the only one outside waiting. It's all good though. So what I'm gonna do is, since I'm not in it and Damon is, I'm gonna hop in his car and roll in with him, so that way I don't have, right now it's 7 o'clock, I'm gonna hop in with him and roll in, that way I don't have to wait until 11 o'clock to get in, and that way I can start filming early and get cars rolling in. So yeah, that's the plan, you know, when he comes out of there. Crap, I turned the tab sideways. Oh, we're here. And the lineup is crazy already. Just gotta find somewhere to park. Well, Damon's parking inside and we're rolling with him, but I have to find somewhere to park. Alright, so we in here. Damon's car is looking real fresh.
We got in for free. We got in for free.
Yeah, don't tell nobody, but I got it for free.
I said mine.
Yeah, I got the Ronins set up already. So I gotta, while people are rolling in, I need to go start getting some roll-in shots before it gets filled up. Alright, gotta disconnect his battery. Oh shoot, I pulled that out.
Yeah. I just wanted to have it cracked.
I thought
yeah. No, I just wanted to have it cracked.
So Damon actually parked right next to an R34. You can't beat that. Cars are still rolling in as we speak. Maybe it's like halfway full. But as of right now, I'm just kind of chilling just for a second because I was getting really hot and sweaty and we got a long way to go before this show is over. So I'm just gonna chill and cool off for a little bit, and then I'm gonna get back on the Ronin and start filming some more. But it's coming out pretty sick so far.
All right, now wipe that clean.
Oh yeah, I see it. It shows up really good on camera.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, I can see
Yeah,
so
right here.
This has got solvent in it, so it'll eat away at that mineral. That's all mineral water.
Yeah.
It's sprinkler water or something like that.
Alright.
So this solvent will eat at all that mineral. That's why it works. So this is $24.99. But this is the this is just a trick with this product.
What's that product called?
Brilliant Glaze.
Okay.
But this is actually the final step for polishing a car. So you put the wax on it and everything. And this is the final step. So this is still a pretty clean side. Let's take some of this. You already cleaned this off, right?
Yeah.
Holy cow.
We're gonna go get something to eat from this place that we go to. Give me no pizza.
Really?
Yeah.
I get.
That's what happens when he comes later than what he tells me.
And she's dead serious too. Like she didn't let me have none of it.
Man, please, I dusted off about a whole pizza by myself. How was the meat so far?
So far, oh, we're recording?
Yeah, I'm recording.
So far, it's good. Seeing a lot of people that I already knew that I hadn't met, but I told them I was coming and stuff. The quality of cars is definitely better than what's in our home.
Any of you who've seen the Import Alliance video, those cars are like right here.
Yeah.
But these cars are like
a whole grade.
Right there. It's ridiculous.
Very different. Very different. And it's people that I've known from previous years, and they've actually changed the look of their car every year. So like back home, people have the same looking car every single year, getting into the same shows. And that's just very boring. So that's why I like Florida shows. This is my future wife that I told y'all about. On a recap.
Where the ring at?
Exactly.
Oh, my bad. I didn't mean to say that.
We're gonna have to talk, man.
I got some more filming to do, so we're heading back to the show right now.
Gotta relax.
What?
Ooh, let me show you what you got to do. You gotta lay it back.
Definitely getting those two.
Yeah. I
And
was looking at this one too. One Punch Man.
I don't know which one other one I want though. Alright, so check this out. I got a Please Don't Break, Love Dragon Ball Z, Super Saiyan First, follow me on Instagram, and a Gundam. And this one says Mistake Makers. If you watch this channel, you know all about this. This is going on my went back windshield. Hey.
It's too big. It won't fit.
It starts right here.
Babe, his hair will be in the way. His hair will be in the way. I mean, I can just go. Yeah. No, give me my sister that baby.
Somebody say I like that.
I like that. Another one. Another one. Oh, you're waiting for me to put this on?
Yep.
Oh, I am very particulate about decals.
I like that. I can't stop thinking who says that. I like it. Is it?
Yeah.
What song?
Hey, he just says it. He says
There's a
it.
song where it says it a lot. There's a song.
Oh crap. I better not get your credit card number in there. I thought it was a room key.
First one that I did, I fucked it up.
Dang.
I got it a little bit on my
But the
thing,
first one I did was pretty big. It was also more detailed.
I haven't heard this song in forever. Yeah, I put it right there, but that's okay. I can cut it off.
It almost looks like that character from Cartoon Network.
Rick and Morty.
Yeah. Oh, good, babe. I love that Transformers font. I don't know.
I'm too tall. It seems fine, I'm just too tall.
So that's what Damon looks like in the S2000.
Yeah, it's all the way back.
Your grass on that.
I embarrass her in front of hello friends. You see, I do a lot of shit that's up because I can. I can kill a man with my bare fucking hand, and I don't need a gun to help with my defense. You play with me, I hang them up on the front fence. Boom! Hello squad, let's get it. Hey.
This guy's wild.
That's why I stay in the goddamn house. On the nail couch when I eat takeout. Tasty, I ain't when the weed run down. Call T-Bone when we finish work out. I be on the beach feeling like a bird now. Smoking on the house on the roof. Mess around, see, trying to kick a nigga out. Cause I had a sack, I ain't
Okay, so it's almost over. They're handing out awards right now. Hopefully we're gonna get out of here in another 30 minutes, hopefully. It was supposed to be over at 6 and they were handing out the awards then, but it is now 7 o'clock. You can't see that, but it's 7 o'clock. So we're an hour late getting out of here. Which, if you go to car shows, you don't ever get awards on time. But hopefully we're gonna get out of here, go grab some food. I'm hoping I can get some rollers of a car to close out the after movie, but we'll see. Hopefully the guy still wants to do it. And all of a sudden it's got really loud in here. Woo, that's nice. They're wheeling them out.
Y'all be safe getting home.
All right, you too, thank you. So the strip is pretty lit right now. So I'm about to hop in my car. We're gonna ride up and down, find some places to take pictures, hopefully find some guys that want to shoot some video and whatnot. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. Oh, hopefully I can find some guys that want to shoot some video a little bit. Just dropped my GoPro out of the car. I don't know what happened to the suction cup mount. Oh my God. Okay, so it is now day 2. It's Sunday, the day after the meet. And I just decided to come to the beach. There's actually some really cool cars out here that I'm gonna do the last few shots of my video with. I've filmed a couple of clips of my car just because I haven't filmed my car yet. And then we got cars like these out here, and they're just so nasty. The RX-7, 2 S15s, and a really bad stance Lexus over there. So that'll be probably the last few shots you see in the after movie. So just be looking out for that. Might just go walk in the water a little bit. I don't know, I'm not really a beach person, but I just decided to come down here and see what I can see, because I haven't been to the beach in a long time. So I guess I'm gonna take a few pictures of these cars and in the video right here. It's been a long last 3 days, but it's been real worth it. Got a lot of good clips, so this is where I'm gonna end it. Peace out, and see you guys next time.